Folks, I got a good one for you here. So I've got some special visitors in here from Arizona, and we're actually having a barbecue today, and made some pulled pork, and I'm gonna make some barbecue sauce, and my mother is gonna make some barbecue sauce, and we're gonna have some of our friends that are coming over. They're gonna pick who's got the fan favorite barbecue sauce. So this will be interesting, and she's got a different take on it. My barbecue sauce is, well, I've got a different take on her barbecue sauce is what it is. So we'll see which one wins, and hopefully it'll be somewhat entertaining and just something that's a little different. So I'm happy my mom and dad are coming out here, and that's cool, and they're getting to see the house and see Alabama. They've never been out here, and we got some plans to actually go see the beach down in Florida, and it'll be nice. So we're just having a good weekend and enjoying it. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's get into it. I've got my jar. She's got her jar, and our guests are going to be the judge of who's going to put what together or what they enjoy better. So
it's all back. You're using my sauce, but adding your own touch.
Yes, I do. It's a similar sauce, but I do mine just a smidge different than yours. They hold the same basis to each other.
He learned it from his mama.
But all right.
Okay.
Well, let's get into it.
What you doing first, Tam?
Ketchup. First, we're gonna add some ketchup.
Takes forever. I need to catch it. I reckon this is going to end up getting used anyway. So
I reckon we just take the sauce, speed it up.
is that what you're using? Well, I mean that's fine. I'm
Well, you told me not to use too much.
just, we don't need 2 quarts of barbecue sauce.
It keeps.
I know, but I'd be using it on everything. We'll get the rest out of here.
Ew. A little bit of liquid smoke.
I gotta change my order
I'm not
because now
gonna-
it looks like I'm just copying you
I
at
know,
this
I'm
point.
not going to tell you guys my secret ingredients. It's like an old family recipe.
Avocado oil. Oh,
Ew.
you know
Getting
how it is
fancy
around
over
here.
there.
Nah, it's just better. It's good. Good stuff. Put some of that in there. Salt. We don't use the salt around here. Soy sauce. Substitute for it.
And we don't measure nothing.
Nah.
Don't
Really,
pour.
you don't need to measure much. Unless you're baking, I wouldn't recommend measuring.
You know, Graham Jam measures.
She measures everything.
Oh yeah.
I just put stuff in there until it tastes what I want it to taste like. What you got here? I don't want that.
Oh, your brown sugar's a little lumpy, sir.
Yeah, it's getting low too.
Hopefully it breaks up.
Oh, it will.
Don't want to make it too sweet. My son-in-law Justin would not like it.
No, barbecue sauce, I mean, it can be a little sweet, but I might put a little brown too much in mine, so it'll be
That's
like.
alright. You screw that one up. Mama's got you.
Hiding that pepper over there.
Best video if the lid flew off in your brand new
Boy.
house. Oh, pulling out the big guns there.
Hey, just a little bit.
You're such a copycat.
You know what they say? Anything you can do, I can do it better. What's it need?
Needs a little more brown sugar.
Mine don't need anything. That's it, folks. One and done around here. Let's see if this tastes like what I remember it to taste like. It's been years since I've had your barbecue sauce. It's good though.
You call it good?
It's good. Very good. All right, so we got Hank here, Dennis, and Joy.
How about you?
That's good.
Have you tried one yet? Not yet.
Yeah, I tried the
I have
This
to go
one.
back.
Number one.
Joy said one's her favorite so far.
One's my favorite so far.
I'm thinking. Can I make a decision already?
This is
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Jump on it. That's usually the best decision.
I think I know which one I like to.
True board. Okay. We'll start out with one.
Yeah, I like one.
Hey, that's mine.
Is that what you like to? I like one better.
So far.
You haven't had two yet?
Let's go on this piece.
All right.
Wait,
He changed mine.
I'm just kidding. Number one.
They are pretty
Well,
close.
they're basically the same. It's just a little different.
Yeah, one is good. I like it. I didn't hurt Mama's feelings, did I?
You won't hurt mine at all.
Can I have two picks?
What's that? Toothpicks?
Can I have two picks?
Oh yeah.
No.
You,
You're gonna get the tiebreaker, though.
you can be the second loser.
Second loser.
I like 3,
Two.
but number 2.
I gotta taste more.
But number 1, I like it the best because it's not real hot for me.
Okay. Dogs want to get in here and be a part of this judging too.
But if I had to buy that, I'd buy either one of them.
I like number one.
She's going easy on your feelings.
Yeah.
No, I'm serious.
What does that
one
like?
doesn't have that little hot to it.
I think number one's got more flavor.
Yeah, I like the one.
Tracy doesn't know which is which, does he? He could be the
I think I know which is which, but I'm not 100% sure.
Mhm.
Unless I just put more on my
Let's
sandwich.
see.
I don't know.
So we got Joy votes one.
I'm one.
Hank says
Dennis is
one.
having a hard time deciding over
I
there.
like the one.
Oh my.
But two's good.
There we go.
But the problem is, one of them is the recipe, basically.
Yeah, but you'll give it
And
away.
the other one is the recipe with stuff added to it.
Well, they're different
They're
because
way
there's,
different.
there's a lot of different stuff in them.
No, they're different.
So, like, is there some stuff that he used that you didn't?
I
Yeah.
mean,
We use different oil. I use things she didn't use.
Okay,
So-
so you didn't just start out with hers and add stuff to it?
No.
Okay, that's what I thought you did.
I like them both, really, because
I do
it's a
too.
nice, I'm kind of like, hey, this is good.
Yeah.
Not just the same thing over and over.
Right,
They're
right.
both really good.
Yeah.
We've got more contestants here. So we got Justin. He decided to show on up here. And we got Connor. Justin's got himself a couple little sandwiches here. He's gonna try them out. And Connor's putting some sauce on right now. Number one.
Number 2.
Ain't that on the same sandwich? Oh, you got 3.
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right.
Are you sure we didn't mix them up now?
No. The blue one was number 2.
It says right here. It says number
I know,
1.
but then we dumped them in these.
I say the blue one was number 2.
Okay, I don't remember which
You
one.
we going right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Alright, hold on. I don't know.
She sells bouquet making classes.
Take a bite of each.
We open our farm up on certain Saturdays for people to come.
Not as good as savory, it's more sweet to me. Let me try this one.
Alyssa, was it you who went to the flower thing? Down in Oceanside? Carol, they have all the flowers growing.
Here comes the. Here it comes.
It's got a little more zing, a little more spice. I kind of like this one better.
All right.
We go with number one.
All right.
We went to Legoland.
Number one was.
Right on.
I'm sorry, Tim.
Even right now or what?
No.
Shoot, I thought you were gonna start cooking at 5, so I was like, oh, I'll be a little bit late.
Or you know what?
You bring my headphones?
We didn't discuss that.
I actually like this one.
Okay, that's number 2. So, Nick, let's see. You want to make a sandwich or do you want to try it by itself? Okay, hang on, folks.
But it tastes better with it.
You hear that? Yeah, this is a deciding factor right here.
3 out of 3.
Well, you already know I like your barbecue sauce.
Number 2?
That one's more vinegary.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're coming back. We got to get more people over here. Break the tie.
He was way down.
Coming back, folks. Folks, I didn't actually finish this video up the day of because I kind of forgot. We just had all that company over and we was just mingling and having a good time. Well, my folks have gone home now and we had a great time. They had a great week out here and stuff, but my mother did beat me on the barbecue sauce challenge, or not challenge, a little competition. I'm not a sore loser, and I'll admit it. You know, she won. She beat me, I think 4-3. Yeah, 4-3. So she's the winner for this time. But there's always the next time, so she better bring her A game next time. I'll just make sure to get people who have that exquisite taste in my favor. Nah, it was good. It was fun. A little fun, different video, and I hope you all liked it, and stay tuned for the next one.